Such a great story, and what a perfect day, Bill, to unveil a court
absolutely.
like that.
I mean,
gorgeous
really,
out there.
gorgeous day today. You know, we started with a lot of cloud cover, thought maybe we get some rain, but not much yet. But we've got some in the forecast. Here's the good news, that we've got an approaching front that was going stationary. You know, last week we had this front moving through. We'd see 60s tomorrow. Not the case. I mean, the front's going to be getting close enough for some rain chances that we'll talk about tonight. But first, let's get out on the hill. A little bit of a breeze out there from the Gulf of Mexico, and you'll see it from left to right. Old Glory's pushing in that Gulf humidity. Dew points have stayed high. I mean, we've been in around 60 to 65 last 24 hours. Southeast wind, the reason why, 73. This is still above the average high this time of year. All right, let's get to the radar. The showers and even thunderstorms of East Texas. Now, we did have a severe thunderstorm warning near Carthage, if you know where Carthage is in East Texas. It reminds me of Bernie. You ever see the movie Bernie? Great movie of a true story. All right, so south of 20, and that rain's going to stay to our north. You can also see north of Austin. Well, this is an upper level disturbance that's behind the front. So this is what's going to happen for us as well. We'll get an upper level disturbance, kick up some showers once this front gets a little bit closer, and that's going to happen in the overnight hours. Now, the models have been back and forth a little bit. We do have some precipitable water in the atmosphere to work with, so at least we have something, right? And then the surface dew points have been 60 plus. That's also something. So at least there's fuel in the tank for some much needed rain. Now, let's take a look at what the computer model is thinking. North of Rock Springs to about Kerrville, we should be seeing some very light rain right now, but it's not there yet. So what we're thinking happens at about 4 in the morning, we start seeing a few showers develop. It'll all be light. It really doesn't look like we see many thunderstorms in the San Antonio area, but there is a chance, and I'll show you that in a moment. Notice that it gets into the city. This is 5 a.m. and then pushes to the south. By 8:30, we're dry. Still going to be cloudy, and maybe there's a residual sprinkle around, but notice how light everything is without one thunderstorm developing here. And the model didn't show, I know I was standing over it, but did not show anything for Del Rio either. And notice we'll clear out and probably get into the mid to upper 70s by 5:30. So some afternoon sunshine after a few morning sprinkles is basically going to be the forecast. But here was an interesting move by the Severe Prediction Center, and one of the oddest convective areas I've ever seen drawn like this. One section of North Texas across I-45 bleeding into I-35, but then one pocket for us, and it's Del Rio east to about Uvalde. 1 out of 5 risk of an isolated strong storm. Don't think it's going to happen. All right, overnight tonight from San Fernando, 76 tomorrow. We're going to probably get a breezy at times afternoon, but I wouldn't call it windy. Rain will be early in the morning. Then we're going 87. So, I mean, we get a return flow from the Gulf really fast, and temperatures warm right back up after they cool down a bit tomorrow. 87 Saturday, cooler on Sunday because here comes another front. Sunday and Monday, noticeably cooler, noticeably breezy, but no rain along that front coming in. Air is going to be pretty dry.
Perfect. And I do remember the movie Bernie.
It's a good one,
Really
right?
good one.